I got him.
Nice pressure. Keep the containment. Nice.
Oh, I thought he threw.
That's overthrown.
Why is he going? Was wide receivers allowed to go out of bounds?
No, they're not. Wait, no, they're not allowed to run routes out of bounds. Like as in staying out of bounds.
Then why is Kagumi going out of bounds like a retard?
No, as in like if he's running along the line all the way up and then once the ball
Just play.
Oh, that's illegal. Oh fuck. Oh shit, yes sir. Kofi.
Mid.
Oof.
Oh.
Did he just auto that catch?
I'm in the mid. My God.
I haven't auto in years, to be honest. I remember back in the day when he used to auto catch everything. I was goated.
Don't you love how auto catch now?
This nigga's oh my God. You guys left that kid open.
The lag ball.
Lag ball?
Lag ball. Well, they caught it still.
Oh, that was affected the play. What do you mean it still counts?
It's for offense. That's lag ball. Just go. It's fine.
It affected. What is this? What do you? I'm so confused. Bro. What are these new rules?
Scoth is. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, someone's double covering. Someone get on Scoth.
Oh my gosh. I'm so confused.
He's so laggy, bro.
Was that not a lag?
I think he just got bodied.
Yeah, I got bodied, but he lagged across. I did get bodied by Tashan.
Shorts, try and play more outside, if you can.
Our side's being overloaded and raped by men.
Yeah.
Leave. What was that? What was that dive?
I think Clay forgot to click.
Oh my lord.
Yeah, just stay inside.
For real, where's lag ball?
Yeah, if you're playing deep,
your
you have to
dive
stay
got
on
minimized.
inside man.
No,
Because I'm gonna try and convert us to zone to man. So just stick, try and get used to covering the inside guy.
Oh, yo, Ashley wants you to stream. By the way.
No, tell Ashley.
No.
Huh?
Tell
Okay.
himself.
Game. Tell her.
I'm recording. I'm confused.
No, she wants to
Please
stream
don't.
it. She wants you to stream it.
I'll just record it. It'll
Man,
just make me
I
laggy.
forgot I had my freaking mask on, bro.
You went to school?
Huh?
You went to like real life school? Like,
Yes.
In person? Oh.
I just got home.
Same here.
I literally just got off the bus stop.
Oh, Jalen.
Jalen.
I haven't even got a warm up though.
Follow your blog.
Huh? What happened?
Bench, let's see.
Alright, bench,
Jalen.
team Jalen, spectators. What else? Bench, Moan. Whatever play TE. What else?
Jalen said I'm an NFL
Alright.
player.
R? Yeah, because I'm censoring. We can't have two $200.
Alright, can I go?
Team, wait, splendid. Bench splendid.
Okay.
Justice drive.
On.
I had to go.
Alright, it's fine.
Why'd you bench splendid blue?
Oh. Alright, cleave. Try to go to the
Try and
middle.
shift lock that one. I think
Drag
that's
the
catchable.
360.
Just roll
Try
right,
to drag
roll
the
right, roll
350.
right.
Wait, were you talking to me this thing?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna roll out.
Oh my
You're
lord.
horrible.
Daquan, all
You're
that
horrible. You're just horrible.
You just suck.
Tell me where you're rolling next time. I'm gonna roll out.
Easy. Oh.
That's a dime?
Don, what?
Oh, that's in.
Bro, come on.
You can't even blame me. That's the game.
Yeah.
Y'all take so damn long. Now I have to go.
Really?
Wait, what?
You have to go?
so fucking dumb.
Alright,
Wait, is that ball? Oh, how do we get ball back?
Yes.
Wide receivers can't fumble.
yeah.
But you're not a receiver.
I am.
Just go, bruh.
Durable sold.
Alright, no, let me QB, I'll QB.
Oh, durable left.
Bruh, alright, it's fine.
What the hell are you doing? What's happening?
It was ink.
Who's ball?
Come on,
Oh,
put one on.
Size me. Who should I put on?
the-
Team
the bench.
Yo, boy, you want outside or slot?
Alright, whatever, wide
Slut.
receiver,
I want
wait.
Slut. I want slut.
Alright, I'll just bench him. Unbench.
Oh, why'd you bench
Play, whatever play wide receiver. Low play, I mean, whatever play center. Low play, TE. Alright, left hike.
Prenovi TV 2020. I never thought this was gonna be a real
I
thing.
got. Huh? Nice lag sack, nice lag sack.
2 yards.
Hold on. Stop, bro. What are you doing?
This kid's retarded.
Alright.
Three yards.
Hey, down one it now.
One more yard.
Down one it.
It's fine.
Take that left square.
Left hike. Wait, let me type in chat.
I'm dragging the safety with me, so
Nice.
Oh,
me and Poyer are dragging the short and deep and safety.
Alright, left
we're
hike.
dragging all three of them. They suck.
No, I'm dragging the safety with
Oh
me.
yeah, drag the safety and the deep.
I know I am. Look, I'm gonna drag them. Look, I have them both.
Oh.
You saw I had both of them, Poyer?
Yeah, but let me go. Let me stay in the spot. You go.
Oh, right hike.
Let me show you how to do it, son.
I'm doing it correct. Oh yeah, boy,
Nice.
you should have dragged the deep with you, so I would have it.
Oh,
Oh.
touchdown?
Oh my
gotta
god,
mix butter.
dude, how's he still going?
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Yo, what is your body, man? What type of body picture do you have?
Alright, what the heck? Okay.
I boy, you suck.
Alright,
Hit the
Right.
corner. Hit the corner.
hold up, right hike. If you send me this lane, should be a touchdown. Yeah, nice.
Prenovi, why'd you sell?
Huh? Nice lane, man.
Fade left? You want fade left?
Alright, oh wait. Fade right. Fade right.
No,
No, fade left, fade left. These
Fade
kids
left.
suck on the
Nah,
left.
cleave distancing and poi. Or cleave go left.
Yeah, Cleve, go left.
Come left.
Cleve,
And then
Cleve.
next fade, I'll give you other three. The fade.
Oh no, Quinn's coming.
TP.
He sucks
Oh my
anyways.
God, what is wrong
Wait.
with this kid?
Hold up.
They
TP
just
drag.
drag. Bro, you drag. Bro, please drag.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Alright, fade. Oh.
All Cleve's fault. It's all Cleve's fault.
Alright.
Please, just save us. We believe in you.
It's all Cleve's fault.
Oh, please.
What the heck?
That's
Nah, hold up.
Cleve sold us again. Another game.
It's all Cleve's fault.
Hike. Alright. Bench. Or team.
Bench Cleve.
Back.
Cleve got on our way. It's all Cleve's fault.
Yeah, for real. How is he so bad?
Bench. No, I'm just kidding.
Wait, where did... Oh, are you kidding me? Alright.
You need
Yeah.
one.
Keep me away. Keeping me...
No,
Alright,
we don't want
I'll play linebacker. Team Ash away. Alright.
On mobile.
Bench. Ash play
Ash is on
D. Just
mobile.
one drive. Just one drive.
Ash is on mobile, I'm pretty sure.
Oh no.
Really?
Yeah, they're on mobile.
I mean, I know some good mobile.
Alright,
blocks.
unbench sack.
Oh, team her spectators. Team her spectators.
Team respect. Alright, where are? Can I bench DE? Maybe if you want to.
Dropping on him.
Wait, Sack,
Oh, no.
where are you? Sack!
Bro.
What the hell is this? What's
Sack,
happening?
where are you?
Bro, no one's gonna drop.
Sack! Why'd you drop off?
So confused.
Yeah, if there's one center, you don't need to drop off.
Point. You need to stick with that inside wide receiver because he's
Just
gonna
keep
be
rushing,
open
keep rushing.
right there.
Unless there's no centers,
I know, but
don't
you
drop
keep getting
off.
burnt. Look at that. You got burnt again.
I'm not getting burnt.
Alright,
I'm
drop
getting
off
burnt.
with Kofi. Because if you're getting abused, I'll just cover you as
That's
a D.
over.
If you're getting abused, Sack, I'll cover you. And then you can drop off with a TE. Just play more outside.
You got burned. That's a burn.
I'll drop off,
That's
I'll drop off.
1 yard burn. You retarded.
It's my bad. I'm not teaching you well. I'll just teach you
Look,
later.
it's insane. What did I say? I knew he was gonna hit
That's yeah.
that. This is
that's
Yeah,
bad.
no, I 1 yard burn and then he did like a little move.
Yeah, I knew it.
Yeah, I knew it, but he was gonna go deep if you
I
didn't
used
stick
to
with
be
him.
that guy
Oh, you
who-
try to jam him. Let me keep
Because-
you.
Yeah.
Nah,
I
just
didn't know
stick
what
to
they
wide receiver.
Blaze.
Because I do wide
Let's call
receivers
him
right
that.
now.
Yeah, Blaze literally almost had no one to go on.
No, I
Their
did
QB's
not.
is fitter.
Maybe one play, and then that's it.
No,
Their
they're
not have
their QB can dime a little
Their
bit.
QB sucks, bro. You just let him burn.
What do you mean? Look, is this a burn right here?
I'll drop
No.
off. I'll drop off.
It is Monkey boy. You have no rights.
He can't dime this. Oh my gosh. He actually. Yeah.
He sucks.
Fine, get that. What are you doing, man? Am I good?
My name is Daddy Distancing.
Loner, try to man Quinn.
Bro, Distancing, stop selling the bag. Like, guard
Oh,
someone.
I got it.
Typhon.
I think it's
Scoff
being
gave
a
up.
fitter.
No,
That's a fit.
No.
What?
Man, bro.
Okay, listen, by the way, if anyone goes behind you, just get them. I'll get them behind
Try
you.
to play
I
more outside.
honestly didn't see him at all.
I got it,
He
I got it,
dropped on
I got
him.
Oh, yeah, I saw him until last second. Yikes.
Got a tackle? Nice.
How am I selling? You got abused by a,
It's okay.
a retard named Uwu Quinn, you faggot. Shut up.
His name is Faggot.
Yeah, distancing. Your zone is getting abused.
What do you mean? He's
You're
legit
at-
tossing.
You're
it.
actually
He's
getting abused
overthrowing
right
it.
now. No, you're actually
No,
getting
play move,
abused.
play
He
move.
knows you're bad.
How are you getting abused?
I'm not
He
getting
might run mid,
abused,
he
he's
run mid.
overthrowing it.
Bro, the
Let me
I'm
show
rushing,
you.
I'm rushing.
Look, you ready? I'm gonna play right here.
Scoff is
he wants
AFK.
to pass over you.
No, he's just trying to throw it on me.
He's gonna have to toss it.
He's gonna toss it right here.
He's gonna toss Kofi. Now he's
Nice
dragging you.
containment.
Good pressure.
He can't throw that far.
Yeah, he has to throw it. He tossed it. See,
Okay,
guys, don't
okay,
get domed.
okay.
It's under. Get the tackle? Alright, nice.
We got a 2 yard loss, guys.
Awesome one, lots of one.
I almost caught it, bro. My bad. I almost
We
caught
got
it.
a sack. We got a sack, guys.
They gained
My bad.
nothing from that. What was the point of that?
My
Oh, they're
bad.
wasting clock?
My bad,
Maybe.
bro. I almost caught it. I still caught it.
Then you got domed by a kid who got domed by Donald.
What the heck?
Jesus.
Try and man that guy. Yeah, that's my bad. I rushed.
Wait, who do I man? Hello?
Yeah.
I'm Jariah someone. Hello.
Oh yeah, try and man the middle wide receiver.
No, Jariah is killing me. What do you mean?
Huh? What am I doing?
Me, bro.
Hey, what? I can't hear you. I'm just covering middle. I don't even care.
Would be
What?
an ant.
No, middle.
Watch mid run. Watch mid run.
No,
Most of these
what?
would be an ant, no CFA. Just want to say that.
Oh my gosh, you got the
Yeah.
He didn't catch it. It's fine.
I got the most drip on this team, bro.
All you have is the Diamond Durag in the 1989s reversed.
On
What
bench
do you
me? Yeah,
have, you
sure.
slave?
Size me.
Nothing.
Yeah,
I'm
you
drip.
stay black.
Hold up,
stay
let
black.
me do subs real quick. Bench. Heck, sorry, you played a little bit too much. Play mid or wide receiver. I'll play center. And whatever,
Oh
play
no,
TE.
let's get back on the field.
And then Loner, you can play mid wide receiver. I think he's AFK. Wait, hold up. Bench. Bench. Alright, go.
Say
Or-
R, say R. Wait, what? Cleaves QB?
Yeah, just one play.
Oh no. Their defense just sucks, to be honest.
What?
Because like there are two people.
keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
I mean, do we count that?
Yeah, we count it. No way. No way. Yeah, one more. Let me just fade it. Okay.
Score off of that?
Yeah, we'll just count it.
I wonder if we could do that in ACFL.
Yeah, he lateral it to me. He lateral it.
Yeah.
He lateral.
You know what?
Lateral.
It would have been better. It would have been better if you caught him midair.
99 lateral. Alright, I'm gonna fade it to the other guys so we can give everyone a chance.
No, don't fade it to them. They suck.
Now, what if they dome it? Like, imagine.
I mean, on other side, you have whatever official. You have Kior, and you have Saquon.
Nah, Saquon, okay.
Plus that side stacking, and we're not.
Yeah, don't stack. Actually give them a chance.
Yeah, you should toss us. You should toss. Stop! Why y'all come over here? You noob.
Bro,
You noobis.
T. Oh my gosh.
If you guys get domed.
I'm not gonna cap. I just saw half our guys jam the other half of our guys. And then no one got the
Dude.
ball.
Oh my
I
gosh.
told you so, bro.
All three of you guys sold a 1v3. none of them actually like, caught it.
Bro, Jiraiya, do you want a 1v1?
I saw one of those kids dive out
Hey,
the
do you
way
wanna
out
get
the ball.
Wait, you said yeah?
Yeah, man. Who said that? I don't know who said that.
Boy.
Boy,
Yeah.
oh my god, boy, you're washed, kid.
Is there, so if I win, can I get your Lucifer?
Heck nah, you wish.
Okay, so if I win, can I
Damn.
get your cleats?
These are 12 mil. You can get some Dookie ult I have, but no.
Oh, what'd you say, Steve?
You can get a Dookie ult.
Huh?
I'll take that.
I'll give you some Dookie cleats.
Okay, I'll take that.
Alright.
Doing like tonight. No. You know, move.
Nah, you're getting
let me-
abused
let me-
this thing. Just
Oh,
one
no,
drive,
no,
just
no.
one drive, just one drive.
No, don't
Aw.
This is the thing. I don't select tonight as my short. He's all
Yeah.
black.
Nah, you've been
Yeah,
getting
let
abused.
me put my OCF
Alright,
shirt on.
TE right, I'll TE left.
Free
No,
shot.
Kronovi. No, Kronovi.
If you
Nah, you got
sell-
abused. I'm gonna just sit you out for one drive.
Sell your bench.
Okay, then let me do my OCFA tactics I do.
Boy, I got this guy in. I dare you to toss it, boy.
It's cause Butter
Alright,
throws a
I need to
1-yard
teach you
burn.
guys zone to man later.
Oh. Lol.
Yikes. Play more outside. I'm gonna rush, you have to drop down with that, whatever. Drop down with you. That's overthrown, yeah.
I'm just covering. First wide.
No, not zone to man right now. I'll drop.
A low drop for that Swan kid, and I got Kofi. Oh, he's gonna dime Kofi.
Short? Why is this short?
That's an it.
Nice.
Good stuff.
Yeah, there's a guy wide short left. Or short right.
Wait, well,
Not
let's see
zone
this
to
wide receiver. Who was it?
Typhoon. It was.
That was gonna be a safety.
Saquon bad.
Size 2.9. Bench. Who's
Tell me you
gotten
traded
a lot
out.
of bench?
Tell me you traded
Let me slot
Jar,
for boy.
unbench.
What?
It's just
let me
one
slot
drive.
for boy.
What?
It's been one drive, you retard.
2 drives, cause yeah, you played a lot.
No, but I want to slot for
Cleve,
boy.
go wide
boy.
receiver. Cleve, go wide receiver.
Wait, did
Blaze, what?
Poi leave VC?
Chrono, I love you.
Go wide receiver. Go
yeah.
wide receiver. TP, Cleve. All right. Left like.
Chrono, I'm a big fan. Sign my boobies.
Alright.
Nice lane. I could have threw that. My bad.
Oh my.
So inspiring, you guys. Except for
Right hike.
Poi,
Right hike.
that
Right
guy
hike.
is fucking goofy. Poi.
What the heck? Let's just say that's motion. That's motion. Click. Nice. Keep going.
Electro traded his hot rods for Halo and just goes, what?
Left hike. Whatever is floating. Oh, my bad. My bad. Nah, I don't feel safe about that.
I thought Durbo
What?
was
I
TV.
clicked! Alright, that's my bad. Left hike. It's fine. It's just a scrim. I'm gonna cut mid. I'm gonna cut mid. Alec, I see you. My bad.
That's a typical college QB, anyways. You know.
Right hike. Just keep blocking for me. That's over? Oh my gosh. That's, yeah. Sorry. Not R.
Okay, Poi.
What the heck?
Poi.
What do you do? Alright, loner
Oi.
linebacker. Yeah, we're R.
Why do they have 3 wide receivers on this side?
My bad. Watch run mid.
Weirdos.
I got it.
Weirdos, man. What does man? Jesus Christ, Poi.
There's a kid wide
We're
open
getting
mid.
overloaded.
Yeah, someone's guarding like air or double guarding. There's a kid wide open mid.
Hey, Poi, I'm gonna play off. I'm just gonna play off.
Durbo supposed to be QB. What happened?
He left.
The whole team thing? Just the game.
It's just he had a no, just game. Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, that QB's low-key a fitter.
Butter's horde.
Oh my god, bro, my phone died on me. Redistancing. Oh, there he is.
I'm gonna rush whatever drop. Or yeah, just
Daddy,
drop.
this don't get burnt. Don't get burnt by too much.
Rem.
Oh my god, who's
I'm
our
just gonna PR this kid because Butter is tossing 1-yard burns for some reason.
I know.
If I'm gonna rush, just drop down with the TE. Cause there's a open
I'm
lane.
just gonna PR
I'm gonna
him.
drop. I'm gonna drop.
Drop.
Kid wide.
Drop.
This guy's
Wait, where'd he go? I lost focus.
Corner.
bro.
Watch out for that
If you
corner.
What is this? I got
gonna
ooh. I got ooh.
toss?
I got ooh.
He tossed
That's a
it.
toss. If you guys get domed, it's 2v. Nice. Keep
Interception.
going. Block for him.
Distancing insane.
Nice.
Insane. For real, why is he tossing?
Because look at
He's
this.
just not good.
Who's on the bench? All right, I'm gonna bench you guys.
I'm benching you.
Thank you.
Yeah, distancing. Me and you are just too insane.
All right, not R.
Mainly me.
Not R.
No, it's because I turned on my OCFA short.
Bench.
Rem, go other side. I'm with Poi.
Unbench.
Poi is my son.
They call me Sir Drax a lot.
Sir Segs.
Play
Come
mid
on,
wide
Ben.
receiver. Loner play tight end on the right.
I'm gonna just run slants.
And
Okay.
it's gonna
Distancing.
be.
Just try to
left
run.
flank.
I'll run this short.
Hold up, I need
Wait,
to check
what?
if they said anything.
Distancing. Go deep. I'll run short.
Alright, left hike. Are they R?
What
Or
do
I'm
you
just gonna
want me
hike.
to do?
They said they were R.
Keep the lane.
Oh. Got you.
Yo, Kron!
Is that
Bro,
over?
Loser!
Yeah, this is why I'm not QB. Starting QB.
I'm splitting the
You're right.
defense. and
Alright,
You're a dimer.
left hike. Set the lane, Kior. Set the lane.
That's why I got to be the best receiver.
Block.
Keep blocking. Set the lane. Alright, I'm gonna cut in mid. Alright.
Actual loser, man.
Let's get
Just
some.
try hard.
How do you
Alright,
overthrow
sorry.
a 20-yard burn?
For real.
Or a
What?
10-yard burn?
Leave him alone.
Bro.
No.
LS.
Pause.
Alright, I'm
That's not
gonna
enough.
toss it.
Watch me and
Actually-
distancing. Don't look at
TE's full-time block. TE's full-time block. Left hike.
I'll chip.
Okay. No, watch distancing. Watch distancing. And then you watch them. What did I say?
Oh God.
Not good.
Just keep this line up. Alright. TP or me. Not R.
Kenobi.
Tell them not R. I can't switch back to all chat.
They suck. What do you mean not R? We're ready. Tell me
No,
something.
we need a DE.
Oh.
Bench Kior just for this drive. Alright. R.
Bench, or get on the bench, son.
Guys,
No.
suck. 2 times you can block it.
Oh my gosh.
At last second, my bad.
We need to learn from our mistakes.
Yeah, that's why I'm recording this. Watch Quinn, I know she's being fed. Yeah, I'm gonna try and man Quinn now. I'm not gonna rush.
Min Quinn? Yeah, it makes sense, bro.
TP what me.
Free Quinn. Free Quinny.
Okay.
The heck?
Bro,
Yeah,
why
I
would you
did.
guys suck that?
Score a touchdown right now, bro.
Bro, Kenobi doesn't trust me in distancing. And when he does, he overthrows it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you overthrew a 10-yard burn.
I'm gonna run right. If he
No,
kicks
run
it low.
left. No, don't run left. Throw left. Don't be a Joey. We hate Joeys.
Skies. Okay.
Joey
my-
only tosses.
I'm bench
Yeah, bro.
Kior.
All
Joey
my
only
hom-
tosses cleave.
Bench.
Yeah, bro. All my homies hate Joey.
One bench.
But
Are you R? You R?
Wait. No. One bench.
Come on, hike the ball, you monkey. I mean,
what about
Alright,
doing
TE
now?
right, TE right. Bench. Rem, just one drive, TP sack, cleave. Alright, left hike. Keep down lane.
hey, me and distancing.
Nah, there's a guy behind him. He's gonna lurk.
Yeah,
it.
but you can underthrow it so he doesn't get the ants.
I don't
Yeah,
trust that.
Let Chrono do what he wants to do.
Right. Or,
Oh,
okay.
the safety is playing that deep. Okay. I got you.
Cleave? Cleave that?
You-
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, don't try to fit. Just pass the wide open burns.
I can't because I'm getting pressured right here.
Okay, we'll yell at you.
Yeah,
next
whatever.
time.
Roll left.
Dang, why that kid PR so far?
Yo, for real, is this
Keep
Butter
that.
Kid?
That's an in, but okay.
He sucks.
Alright,
He
left hike.
actually sucks.
Whatever, you're lagging. I don't know what's
Me?
happening.
Oh, whatever.
Yeah, left hike.
Yeah, that guy honestly sucks.
I'm gonna try and score this drive. So try and send a lane or something. No, just left. What the heck?
The heck? Yeah, you had me, bud.
Cleave? Or Yeah.
Oh,
my
why you
bad.
always trusting Cleve? You had distancing right next to him. I see how it is.
Because
Are you
Butter's
being biased?
scary.
Are you
I know he's gonna
Oh
lurk
my-
there.
Butter was on Cleve.
Left Ike.
Yeah, stop being biased, bro. You're hurting our feelings.
Keep that. Make it
I'm
lane.
burning if you
Make it lane
want
nice.
triangle. Cool
Run
if you
that.
don't
that-
wanna.
Yeah.
Yes, sir,
Oh,
Daddy.
okay.
Daddy crying for the TD. Oh, insane. Small
Legs,
man.
no legs.
Whatever's dead.
Don't toss, please.
Alright, left
Be
Ike.
scary. Because I do not want to lose to a team with a shitter QB such as Butter.
Loner. Nice.
Thank you. Throw smart passes like that.
Ooh.
Yeah, be Joey.
No, don't be a Joey. Joey does not throw smart
Oh
passes.
yeah.
Yo, where are you going?
Be a pred. Be a pred.
Alright, left Ike.
But please,
Kior?
please,
Kior?
please
You there?
go deep.
Alright, never
Okay,
mind.
Joe.
Right
Insane,
Ike.
I'm gonna
Alright, left
burn.
Ike, left Ike, left Ike. Back to left Ike, back to
gonna
left
burn.
Ike. Left Ike.
I'm gonna burn.
What the heck?
Us? What?
It's a nice
Nice.
face there.
You know what? I'll just, it doesn't matter.
No,
Yeah, right
those-
Ike,
those-
right Ike, right Ike, right Ike.
Do people still use clumsy,
Obviously.
including distancing? I'm
Yes,
burning.
sir.
Oh my god.
You have me.
God.
You have me.
I'm just kidding. Someone drop
Distancing,
that
keep
in the
that. What? I'm clicking! You know what? TE's full-time block, full-time block, full-time block.
Don't throw
Ooh,
that
it's
stuff.
okay. Okay.
Left Ike, left Ike. TE's full-time block, TE's full-time block.
No.
I have to
Be
throw deep, I
smart.
have to throw deep.
Be smart, daddy.
Someone run a short route.
Okay.
Or whatever,
mean? You just
keep
said-
that.
Mod.
No, where's that
Where are you?
God, you suck.
I'm trying to get some little yards before I toss it.
No, not you. He
Oh,
sucks.
it's cool.
Alright, tossing left, full-time block, T's.
That's right.
Bro, oh, where's left? I don't know which side's left.
Your side.
Oh,
Just
Oh,
keep abusing
boy.
him, keep
my
abusing him.
side. You trust me? Thank
Start
you, daddy.
time.
Bro, my
Yeah,
blockers are lagging!
You
Trust
have us.
Trust us. Trust us.
I'm tossing.
Oh, I'm lagging.
Oh my gosh.
To catch.
Okay.
Cleve got over here that fast.
Yeah, Cleve has speed hacks, you know.
Cleve sold us again. Cleve, stop selling.
Yeah,
Bro,
Cleve, stop selling us,
right.
bro.
He threw it because he knew you were gonna be
Cleve,
over there.
Cleve.
Like we all believed in you. We were like, let Cleve get the ball. And what just happened? You got domed
Oh,
again.
that boy.
You're
Oh,
attracting all the whole team over here. Like, you
Cleve,
got
I
it,
should like
man.
record. We should send us recording, like post it.
He's not even in
No,
NFL, man. He
not R.
didn't even play NFL.
Bench, 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 bench.
Bro, boy, he's selling
Bench
this, man. He's bringing
line.
the whole team to us for a toss-up.
Unbench.
Like wherever.
Rem, can you play linebacker?
Every time,
Can you play linebacker? All you have to do is just man the TE, man the TE.
every time,
If you drag them
Just
towards
man the
us-
TE, man the TE.
every time Cleve comes over here,
It's fine,
he's
it's
like,
fine.
every time you just toss up.
Actually, I'm
he's
gonna
like, "Oh, I
rush
gotta
this,
go over
whatever.
there."
Drop on the TE.
You don't care it's on you. but
Drop
you
on the
keep
TE, I'm
going.
gonna rush this.
Please don't get dragged.
You guys got split.
I'm not burned. I'm a 1 yard.
Oh, he's gonna that anyways. You know that guy. Oh, I don't know that guy. That's Kofi.
Dude,
Kofi.
How'd you guys
Kofi.
not QB? Oh yeah, you should let me QB, Kron. I'm a dimer.
I can't middle linebacker.
Oh, Butter's QB now. Okay.
Just
that's
drop
1
on
yard right
the drop on the
He's
short
gonna
mid.
stop.
Drop on short mid.
now. There you go. I abused them a little bit. and
Actually,
then
I dropped on
back up in
Uquin.
PR.
Just stay with
I got-
him.
I got Ook. I got Ook. I got
I'm
Ook.
PRing him.
You can drop for that. Drop for that. Drop for that, Diddy.
Dude, one of the
got
DEs
that.
have to drop on that guy.
Wait, was that you? Or was it?
Yeah, that was me. That was me. If there's if there's no centers, DEs have to drop on one.
Alright, you ready? I'm about to do it again. Oh, wait, never mind. I couldn't.
You mean get burnt again?
What do you mean? I'm PRing him.
One is open.
Wait. Oh, shit.
Drop on that. Drop on that. Yes, sir, Daddy. Wait, was that
That's
me?
a toss.
Please,
Nice.
Oh, no way. Cleve forgot one.
Just go out. Just go out. Yeah.
Oh my,
Nice.
that was disrespectful. That was disrespectful, Cleve. Cleve, what are you doing? Go on the other side, you monkey.
For real, you dragging every single.
Can someone tee on the right?
You're
literally-
dragging all the retards over here. Please stop.
Sack,
Go over
sack,
there.
sack, sack.
You're-
Tee on the right or your bench. All right. Left hike, left hike.
You're dragging all the
Left
little
eye.
No, we're not gonna
retards.
trust you. You sold all those other times.
Yeah, bro.
I am talking, bro.
No, fuck Poi, bro. He's so.
You have me. You have me.
Pure?
I'll find homie Hey Poi. What do you mean?
Nice.
Hey, Poi's like, but
Good stuff. Alright.
What are you doing? Go on your own side. You
Left
ape.
like.
Nobody wants you.
If you guys are gonna keep arguing, I'm gonna serve it
Oh,
with
I'm
you.
everything in college.
Someone has to play middle wide receiver. Play middle wide receiver.
I vote Cleve.
Yeah,
left
I
like.
vote please get off our side, bro. We don't like your kind.
get out of here, Typhoon. You blow.
Desisting, keep that. Actually,
What
nah.
a ape. That Kiora,
Pure.
like,
This is this.
Christian Kiora. How do you?
Oh my gosh. This is why I'm a center. Alright.
Wait, our center is QBing, bro. Give me
Left
12,
like.
bro.
At this
Give me
point,
the
you
rock.
just put me at
My center is
QB.
AFK.
Give me the rock hard
Oh my
rock.
gosh.
Okay, I'm gonna drop. No, distancing.
Make
Pure.
over.
Or
Oh,
whatever.
nice.
Nice.
Nasty. I'm just trying to drag everyone off.
I'm just trying to get like 1 point
Bro,
or
stop
something.
milking. Stop milking. We need the
Just
clock.
gotta score, to be honest. That's all we gotta do.
Yeah.
Get the
I'm just
two.
gonna waste time and then I'm gonna score. Alright, left like.
No, it's gonna be OT. I hate OT. I don't.
What the heck?
Get the onside. Oh.
Cause like, what
Yo.
if they
Rem,
Yo,
Rum.
you have Cleve.
GG?
can you score this? Can you score on this? Alright.
Lag.
Dude, my teammates are laggy.
How did he hit him?
Bad
Alright, left like,
Wi-Fi.
left like. Center lane, and I'm running, and it's gonna be a touchdown.
Yo, hop
Sh-
No,
Sack,
man.
sack. That's a wide open touchdown.
Go
Go in.
I swear to God, bro, I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Dude, if he didn't go in, I would have smacked my screen so hard.
Oh, one of
Like-
his players were AFK. Oh, you got him VC. Okay.
No, we don't care, but whatever. You sold the bag almost as much as.
Alright, play this 2-point smart.
Yeah. I want to score this. All right, left
No,
like, left like.
Please, no. You're dragging
Left hike,
all
left
the
hike.
retards.
If you settle lane, this is a touchdown. If you settle lane, this is a touchdown. Left like.
You moved and like
Straight
10
up,
people
never
on
mind.
our side.
Oh,
I should have thrown to. Rum. Nice.
yay. Onside or no onside? What do you guys
Okay, everybody play
Onside,
back.
onside,
They're gonna
onside.
toss it.
No, onside.
Yeah, onside. Don't get dome. Someone jam. Me and Kior jam.
Yeah, GG.
Since we're blockers.
You left. If you guys get dome, I'm playing it on Cleve.
Oh my gosh. All right,
want?
Alright,
Wait,
play back.
not R.
Wait, let's just play back.
bro. Just keep going.
Quick hike.
Oh wait.
Quick hike, quick
That
hike.
one. Bench.
Nah. We accept. Yes, we accept.
Bench Rem just to strive. I'm bench loner because he knows how to play linebacker.
Cleve say? He said
Loner, play right T. Right linebacker. Alright, new play because they're pushing himself back.
Guys, just play back. Guys, you know?
Linebackers don't rush. Just man the T.
Yeah, Kior, right here.
Like,
play right here.
loner, man Kofi.
Play back a little bit more. A little bit.
Alright.
But what
Passing left.
they could get yards.
Or
off
man, just, yeah.
Poi, why would you play that for? Just PR, Poi, just PR. Don't even try.
He's gonna toss it,
We
yeah.
get domed. We're blaming this on distancing.
No, oh, that's Cleve.
Just PI, it doesn't matter. He's not gonna notice.
Can't PR.
You guys suck. You guys sold the bag.
Oh, GG. Shouldn't be even that close since I was QBing. Wow.
Oh my God, bro. Some people want me to call.
Poi, it's all Cleve's fault. He brought all the little retards over here.
Oh my God, thanks a lot, Cleve. You suck again. Like honestly.
That's
Of course, it
fine.
has to be Quinn the retard.
It's just a scrim. Just, yeah.
Cleve is.
Plus,
Cleve,
I was
you know what Cleve's-
QBing. I was
You
QBing.
guys know what Cleve? All you say is that's why you're bitching me.
Alright, I'm gonna mute you. You need to chill.
Pack.
I'm gonna still play this 2-point because I'm bored. Unbench from unbench fonts. Alright, you guys are on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Put me on the field. Put me on the field.
You are. Wait.
Unbench me, coach.
GG.
No, not fun game. Bad game. Bad game.
He won't fade it. He won't fade it. He won't fade it. Fade left.
He won't fade this. He won't fade this.
He's fading.
He won't fade,
Peace.
he won't fade this ISO. Oh man.
This is mine! Okay.
Cleve sold again.
Oh, GG.
Why does Cleve suck so much? Wait, did Ash get benched the whole game? Harper Novi?
Yeah.
Did Ash get benched the whole game?
Yeah, she's apparently on mobile.
Oh no.
It's
We
fine.
can't have. Yeah, we can't have it. I'm sorry.
I was keeping social media that close. Alright, good scrim. What was the score?
I don't know. It was like 72 to 50.